Hi, this is my Morse code system. This button will enter a dot, and this button will enter a dash. This button resets to a new letter, and this button will trigger a post that will be sent to the website. So if I start from entering the dot, yeah, and the letter I will appear on the LCD screen. If I press the reset button again, there will be a space added to the string. So if I enter another letter, then you can see that there's a space between them. Then I'll send a message to the website. Yeah, and after I hit this button, the message will be sent. And you can see that the screen resets to blank, and a new message can be entered. And on the website, if I refresh, then I can see my new message is here, displayed here.